So what happens when you go to the mailbox and your package says your day just got a whole lot better? Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John. I hope you're having an amazing morning and that your week has started strong. Mine certainly did, thanks to Pink Door Fabrics. So it's already exciting enough, right, to walk to the mailbox and see a pink package in there. But now they're even marketing it smart enough to say your day just got even better. So guys, let's jump in and look at what is in this unboxing for Pink Door Fabrics. So it is, da, 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 da. I need to have better sound effects, right? I joined, crazy me, the Pink Door Fabrics Lakeshore Hosta quilt. And so, interesting enough, I had discussed with my partner about 5 months ago, maybe even longer than that, about whether or not I wanted to jump in and do something this crazy and this complicated. I have never done a pattern like this. I was kind of excited to do it, but also very nervous. Unbeknownst to me, after we decided it was worth the investment, worth pushing my skill sets, that we would jump in and I would do this. Next thing I know, the Elizabeth Hartman show and tell showed up. Had no idea. I don't remember grabbing it, but I did, obviously. So this is the Lakeshore Hosta Queen mixer. It is Free Spirit. Of course, it's Tula Pink, guys. You knew it had to be Tula Pink. And it is a block of the month that's been designed by Sandra Bryce. And so I say all that to say we were really excited for me to kind of jump in and look at this. They are doing this as a kind of sew along, right? Because they are breaking it down to a block of the month and doing it piece by piece. So what I know is they have sent me lots of materials here. I need to jump in. It says, welcome to the newest block of the month program. This is a 10-month program. We'll take you on an adventure through organic rhythms of hosta leaves in the symmetry of nature. Radiating petals, intricate spikes, and sweeping curves build a dramatic centerpiece that feels both botanical and architectural. So I am excited to try to get this going. I know this is definitely going to push my skills, but guys, look at the gorgeous Tula Pink fabric that is part of this collection. So this is all on the floral reef, which I've already got tons of, right? I ended up buying more of this than I realized, but this, they've sent everything that I need to get done for month one. So probably what I'm going to do is jump into taking this on vacation with me, reading through all the materials and figuring out what did John really sign up to and how are we ever going to get this done. But you know what? I'm excited. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a different project. I am not going to do this probably as a sew along or whatever on my channel. We may talk about it and I may kind of give you updates each month, but we'll see. I need to read into this and see what's going on. I did just receive it and I'm anxious to see them post the first video. So it is a 10-month program. It is through Pink Door Fabrics. If you've not been over to their website, I would encourage you to take a look, especially if you enjoy Tula Pink, K-Facet, some of those. They do a really, really nice job with all of that. So I am super, super excited, super, super nervous, but we will get it all figured out, right? Because that's part of us evolving and growing as quilters. So guys, I just wanted to spend just a couple of minutes. I think it's pretty exciting, pretty smart marketing for them to even just put that on their packages. I'm really anxious to dive into the fabrics, and this is an absolutely gorgeous quilt. And if John does it right, we may be entering it in a show next year. And if he doesn't, it's okay because it'll still end up being a quilt that John probably puts a lot of love and labor into. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here for just a few minutes, letting me talk to you about the newest Block of the Month program John has signed up for. And I hope that you have an amazing rest of your week. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.